What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I truly think that people are going to be upset, and they're going to be upset with themselves with the fact that they didn't invest into XRP. Now, I'm not telling you to just spend all your money on XRP. I'm not telling you that you physically need to own it. But what I am telling you is that my gut feeling is that people are going to be upset with the fact that they missed another opportunity. Now, I hope that you guys are investing into crypto altogether, so maybe you won't be upset with yourself that much. But when it comes to plays, right? When it comes to investing, when it comes to making the right decision or making a great decision, you have things like maybe certain companies that you'll invest with. Maybe I'm trying to think of a company. Maybe it's Radio Shack. Maybe it's, you invest with Toys R Us, which again, that was more towards the hedge funds, but you invest with companies that may not have the best success. However, they did have some success, right? You made some money from it. You were happy with those gains. You ended up holding for a number of years and you made a lot from it. But then you also have the companies like Amazon and Facebook or Meta now or Tesla that you may have had the chance to invest into and people told you about, but you didn't make that move because you didn't believe in the technology and you didn't believe in the CEO and you didn't believe in just a bunch of other things. And I think XRP is one of those plays. And I think there's probably some that are out there that I'll be upset with the fact that I didn't invest into it at those times. Whether I let people talk me out of it or I talked myself out of it. But if I make that decision, if I choose to not invest into something because I I see all of the different things that are being said about it. I do all of the research that I can do. I can be comfortable with the fact that I make that decision. Now, will I be upset when things do grow or blow up? Yeah, I mean, there's times where I am. And I think XRP is one of those plays that it's going to be kind of a complete game changer in the world of crypto and the way we utilize money in our banking systems. I think it's going to have so much implementation that people are going to say, dang, I wish I invested into that. I wish I bought that because now the Fed is buying this back for $10,000 a piece when the price of it is probably not going to be that much, or maybe it will. Maybe it'll be more than that. I don't know, right? But the unknown is what makes it very interesting. And I'm not investing into it primarily just to get that $10,000 payout or a $5,000 payout or a $1,000 payout per coin. I'm not, right? If it happens, it happens and I'll be happy with it. But I'm not looking for just that. I'm looking for an investment in the beginning and make money along the way, passive income or active income or whatever you want to call it. And I'm also looking for a major form of utility with it, something that can change the game within crypto. Gaming, they have cryptocurrencies where you can change the game within there, right? You have banking, which I believe XRP could be a game changer crypto. Store values, right? You feel like it could be a game changing crypto. Passive income, whatever the sector actually is. For some reason, I can't think of different sectors. Data. There's just a lot of sectors and a lot of places where you will have leaders within those spaces. And if you have those leaders, you know that those are going to be big players in the game. And I'm looking for those. And that's why I'm constantly investing into different plays. But I truly believe that XRP will be that. And it's stalling out now because of all the fight that's happening with the SEC, Ripple versus the SEC. But once that does get cleared up, fully cleared up to where there's no appeal, there's nothing in the background, we just have clarity on XRP being labeled as not a security and being heavily utilized within our banking systems. Once we get to that point, that's where we know where XRP will ultimately be. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. If you guys want to trade XRP, I do have a link for Margex where you can start trading XRP. You can buy, you can short, you can do whatever you want on that position. I also have a merch store. If you want to check out profitsapparel.com, I believe that's still the domain, but I also have the link down below where you can get yourself a shirt for XRP or any other cryptocurrency that's there. But let's take a look at XRP right now. It's currently at 53 cents, 53.3 cents. Not a big mover in the market today. While you see the overall market up to a $1.9 trillion market cap, we're seeing XRP that's sitting at 53 cents, 2.5 or 2.4% up. And we're also seeing it at a $29 billion market cap. Now, this was a lot higher before the ETFs were launched. And now it's sitting at a lower point where I feel like it's a great buying opportunity, a great place to hold it, because the overall potential price of where this is. Now, if I was talking about different price predictions, there are a lot of price predictions that are out there. And my price prediction, I have various ones where I'm looking at this at a lower level of like $5 to $10, then $10 to $20. Then we're seeing this up to maybe even $50 or $100. And then we could possibly see this up in the other levels where we have the more aggressive levels, right? $500, $1,000, $10,000, $20,000. There's so many different predictions that state these things, and I see all the things that they're saying, and it makes sense. The only thing that doesn't make sense is the market cap, because seeing a multiple like 10, 20, 30, 50, $100 trillion market cap is way too much to manage, way too much to understand. But we're classifying it differently. We're not classifying it as what XRP should be classified as. We're classifying it or tying it to the different businesses. When XRP is not a business, XRP is a currency. XRP is a way for us to spend money fast, right? Send money to one another very fast, which is what banking does, right? And being able to be heavily utilized within Ripple's payment system that's already implemented within banks, it now applies something completely different where you're talking about the flow of currency and not just a business, right? Ripple is like the business, but XRP is the currency, right? And while they develop their own CBDCs and all of that stuff there, I still am not the biggest fan of that. I feel as though it's all going to backpedal and go into the main component or main character of this story, which will be XRP. And then you'll see everything flourish the way that we want it to. But again, XRP is currently standing at 53 cents. We see $1 billion worth of volume, which I would imagine that's going to massively increase. I'm currently holding 20. If I go to my assets, I'm currently holding 20,801 XRP. I actually have a little bit more over on Margex. So I have about $500 worth on Margex. I'm gaining more as I stake. So if I decide to, or not stake, as I invest, because I invest on Margex, and as I'm investing with money that's not mine, because I'm leverage trading and I'm gaining more XRP in the process. So if you guys want to start trading on Margex, feel free to use my platform down below. I talk about it a lot because I really do think that people need to explore this platform because it's really cool. If you want to short it, you can short. If you want to buy, you can buy. Just make sure you're not too aggressive. But yeah, I have 20,000, almost, well, actually 21,000 now. And there's a reason why I have this much. I think people are going to be upset with the fact that they didn't decide to invest into this play. And hopefully people see what they are doing. Like even CoinMarketCap now shows, I was just looking at this, Bitcoin's dominance up top as well as Ethereum dominance and how that's growing, because we're going to see dominance across the board. And then you're going to see XRP that comes up, and it's probably going to be, in my opinion, XRP that's leading the market rather than Bitcoin that's leading the market, market cap wise, because it makes sense, right? You're talking about the flow of money versus a store of value, right? You have more of currencies that are flowing around the world than you do the price of gold, right? Or gold in general. Right? You have currencies, the U.S. currency. You have China, Japan. You have all these currencies that are flowing around, and we're talking about utilizing one specific cryptocurrency for everyone's banking needs, which could be really cool and also raise the price of XRP massively. Now, it's not a given that that's going to happen, but it's looking like this is like the best option, while Ripple already has the payment options established and nobody else actually has that. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about XRP. And if you believe that it's dead, it's going to be around for a long time, it's going to be the biggest thing ever, let me know your opinions, right? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.